In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Shopify plan subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect on each screen, and a few important things to keep in mind before you confirm the cancellation. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. Use the account that has permission to manage billing and plans. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that step so you land on your store's main admin dashboard. It's best to do this from a desktop browser for the clearest view of the menus. From the dashboard, look down to the bottom left corner and click Settings. This is the gear icon that opens all of your store's core controls, including billing. Don't worry if your layout looks slightly different. Shopify updates the interface from time to time, but the settings area will always be in that lower left section. Inside Settings, click Plan. Depending on your region, this might be labeled Plan and Billing. This page shows your current subscription, next billing date, and any trial or promotional details tied to your account. Take a moment to scan the information so you know where you stand in your billing cycle. On the plan page, scroll to the bottom and find the Cancel Plan option. This is where Shopify explains what happens when you cancel, including access changes and billing implications. If you see options to pause instead of cancel, that's a separate path. Today we're focusing specifically on cancellation. Review the notes on this page so you understand what data and features will be affected. When you're ready, click Cancel Plan. A confirmation flow will appear. Shopify wants to make sure you've read the details, so you'll see a switch or checkbox to acknowledge them. Toggle on I've reviewed the information above. This simply confirms that you've read the summary of what cancellation means for your store. Next, click Continue. You'll be guided to a brief survey or selection screen. Choose the reason that best describes why you're cancelling and click Continue. Your response helps Shopify improve the product. It doesn't change your ability to cancel. Finally, click Cancel once again to confirm. This is the last step and will deactivate your plan. After confirmation, you'll receive an on-screen message or email with details about your store status and any remaining charges. Keep in mind that third-party app fees, domain settings, and outstanding invoices are separate from your main plan, so review those items in your account. If you plan to return later, you can usually reactivate by signing back in and choosing a new plan. That's it. You've successfully navigated the cancellation process from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you cancel your Shopify plan with confidence.